Okay, we're going to try this again because the first time was garbage. Here is a sheet that I made, and we're going to take a look at it and see what is going on. Okay, so we have the before-tax subtotal, then we have the after-tax subtotal. I'm thinking you wanted each small group to be totaled, right? And then you wanted a grand total of all those subgroups. And if you made any changes to any of them, this group here would adjust as needed. As you see, that's it. This is one of the ways that I did it. I'm gonna just delete this, go through and explain how I did this. Hopefully this is what you're looking for. So start off with, my material, my stuff, the price before tax, I put $100. And then I created a formula here, which I simply took this cell, C2, $100, multiplied it by my Maryland state tax, 6%, and then added it back to itself. So, 106 is the price after tax. And then I simply told Excel, hey, auto sum it, which you did. Then I'm going to rinse and repeat for each of these groups. And since I am auto summing these, Excel knows that this is important information to me. And that's going to help me when I go to do my big MacDaddy total. So there's two ways to go about doing this, so it updates. One is, I'll call this the long way, and then I can go through and select each one, right? And I just hold Control down when I click each of these sub totals. There it is. Well, easier way is, as we made our table, Excel took note, knew these were important. So I hit auto sum. Did it for me. A little bit quicker, a little bit easier. If that's what you're interested in, hopefully that helped. You can also use pivot table and pivot graph for this material, depending if you wanted to present it graphically. That's on you if you want to do that. I'm a fan of pivot table and pivot graphs. You can do a lot with them. I guess Excel changed it to pivot charts. You can go through and present it graphically different ways. There's a lot of options with these pivots. You just have to go in and play with it, see if it's what you're looking for. Okay, hopefully that helped. If it did, great. If it didn't, I apologize. If you need anything else, please do not hesitate and just let me know. Have a good morning, afternoon, evening, what is it? Okay. And be well.